Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to reset your Wells Fargo online banking password. It's super simple and it's super frustrating, especially if you forgot your password. So one of the easiest things you can do, even on the sign-in page, is just hit this button, forgot username or password, and just go through the prompts. You're probably going to need access to your email though, as that's what's going to be used, and your phone number to verify that it is you. And if you can't do that and you're unable to reach one of those two, then you can always just call their customer support. But what I'm going to be showing you is the online banking side. So obviously go ahead and sign in. I already put my username, but I blurred it out for privacy reasons. So put your username and put your password. Go ahead and hit sign on. After you've done so, it'll lead you to your actual account page. This is my account page. As you can see, I use Wells Fargo, and this is what my page looks like. What we're going to want to do here is head over to the top and all the way to the right where it says security and support. And here we have a couple options. So the option we obviously need is change password. So we're going to go down here and just go ahead and click it. It'll then take you to this lovely page where you put in your current password. So you do need to know that before resetting your password or changing it. After you put in your current one, then you put in your new one, and then you repeat the new one, and then press continue. So again, if you don't have access to your current password and you want to change it regardless, one thing you can do is by going back, you can go all the way to the top right corner, just like we did last time. But instead, this time you do contact us or make an appointment. Because basically these two options let you contact Wells Fargo themselves and tell them that you need a manual change, and they can change it on their end after verifying your identity. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing.